Okay, this is a kind of typical question. It's quite difficult to define which is the most impactful result. So from my point of view, the most important outcome that we get is that we demonstrate ourselves and we were able to really find the way in which we are able to meet in the same room, around the same table, all the stakeholders involved in the care of the hematological malignant patients. So this is the most important thing. But in addition to that, we also have an extremely good database, a data lake with a huge amount of good quality data that now we start to analyze in the last couple of years. So the results are coming, and the result of the project is the project itself. And also that we were able in some way to resolve the problems about data sharing coming from the physicians and from the clinicians. We start to understand that the data sharing is a topic in which everybody really wins, but most important people who win are the patients. Well, now we are in the last year, starting the last year of the both projects of Harmony and Harmony Plus, what's the so-called Harmony Alliance. And the future is that we have to continue the project. So we just think, most of us think that we are just in the beginning. It was so new idea, the concept of data sharing, the concept of data evolution, that it is something that we have to realize that it is really an important task, an important challenge for all the community, for all the stakeholders involved. We have to resolve many open questions, many unmet needs for the patients regarding the survival, but also regarding the quality of life. And I hope and I'm sure that we will be able to build up a foundation, and it will be really the next step in which we can manage this in the very best way by working together as we already performed in the last 5-6 years.